Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys are doing good. So today we went to the road trip to the Alum Creek Beach Park, and it was very beautiful place, and I had a drone with me today and I record some videos with it for you guys. Hopefully you will enjoy it, and some of the footage I record with the Note 10 Plus as well, as right now I'm recording with the Note 10 Plus front camera. I'm trying to use first time the live focus video. Do tell me in the comment section below how do you guys see it. I did not blur the background a lot, I just put it on like 2, and while recording you can still change the blur, as you can see. Let me show you. You can increase the background blur, as you can see now it increases in the background, you probably can notice, and I can reduce it and change to different mode as well while recording this video. So I thought I'm checking this feature very first time. I did record this video like this video before, but I did not put on the internet. So yeah, I actually do like this look because it looks like you're actually recording with the DSLR camera. So tell me in the comment section below guys, what do you guys think with this mode? Is it better or it's better without any background blur? So yeah, so we were talking about the drone shot. So enjoy the video guys. Okay guys, we are here at Alum Creek Beach Park, and I'm here first time. It's a beautiful view right here. I like it, and I'm gonna fly the drone here and we'll give you some good views guys. Stay tuned, and yeah, do subscribe my channel for more videos. It's snow, freezing water right here. Okay, so when I record 4K 30, this is 4K 30, and when I record 4K 30, then I can switch to the, as you can see, wide angle lens. A lot of view in it, and then I can see also zoom lens as well. This is Note 10 Plus. This is the main camera. Okay guys, so time to wrap this video. So at the end of the video I'm gonna show you some more drone shots of my car. So enjoy that, and I will probably see you guys in the next one. Time to wrap this up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care.